Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to talk about some of our great offerings with great cargo space. Now, everyone knows your Sorrentos, your Tellurides have a lot of space inside, but I'm standing right here in front of a beautiful 2022 Seltos, which might not come to mind when you think cargo space. So if you come check it out back here, now this is in a subcompact SUV with almost 30 miles per gallon combined. Look at how much room you have back here. So behind the second row, as you can see, ample amount of rear cargo space. And it's got a neat party trick here too. You've got a dual level cargo floor. So if you need additional storage space, it's very easy for you to get it and add an additional amount of depth to the cargo area. Now beyond that, you also have a 60/40 folding split bench for the second row. And in about 7 seconds, you can have a pretty immense amount of space back here. So if you're looking for a car that can fit everything you're looking to haul around, call or stop by today. This Seltos, first one we've had in a while that's not spoken for, is available as it sits. So if you'd like to come check this out, call or stop by today.